Lego Indiana Jones Parcel Locations Walkthrough. This is the motorcycle escape level, and there are actually two ways of getting this parcel. The first way you can do during campaign with someone who isn't a girl, because if you are a plant and you're not a girl, you can jump high enough, you can actually double jump high enough to reach the top of the windmill thing so you can get the parcel. And the second way is to grab this key, bring it over here, spend a long time turning the windmill, and then having the box come out of that white thing. But I'm going to show you the first way just for the heck of it. So you get a buddy to become a plant, jump on the plant, and jump up there. Or you pick up the box, become a woman, jump onto the box, and pick up the parcel. So the one with the plant can be done during story, the one with the plant needs co-op, and the other one can be done on single player during free play. And what this parcel does, multiplies all your studs by 8.